Hey guys, Finny74 here, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'll be reviewing for Numskull cooling mat. It's a product I've needed for a while just since my computer overheats when I try and put good graphics on a few games I play, so I thought it's a perfect time to buy it as well as a perfect time to review it. So yeah, I've never done anything like this before, but yeah, I thought we'll try something different, something new for the channel, and yeah, let's get straight into it. But just so you guys know, this is my first time making a video like this, so if you do want more, let me know in the comments below. But also, I didn't realise my camera, I didn't really have it focused properly, and I was using the wrong camera at the time as well since I couldn't find my actual one to record. So the graphic isn't the best, it could be better, but just so you guys know, I'm sorry about the graphics. I have tried to fix it with lighting a little bit, it didn't work, but I do hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into reviewing the Numskull. Okay guys, this is what the package looks like when you first get it. Nothing special here, you just got the standard little box. You got PS4, Xbox and PC, you also got dual fan cooling mat at the top, and just in different languages down here. You also got the name of the company, Numskull, and yeah, if we flip it over, not much again, just more stuff. Another thing saying dual fan cooling mat in different languages all over it, and then, you know, technical support on how it's lightweight, which is the main reason I got it really. And then yeah, you can see it here, you can see there's LED lights apparently on it, which is cool. I didn't know they were coming with LEDs. You can see there's the names down there, and you can also see that it's made in China, as well as just the number tag really. So yeah, let's flip back over and get straight into it. So opening it up is not too difficult, there's just a little slip as you can see here. So we're going to open that straight up. There we go. Very simple to open up, no sellotape or anything like that. So it's held in the box by two pieces of foam. So we'll just take that straight out there, and then it comes with a little like slip or piece of paper, and it's kind of just about technical support. It's Australia and New Zealand technical support for some reason, and yeah, just more technical support, and then it's Facebooks and other social medias down at the bottom. So if we get that straight out of the way, you can see this is what it looks like. So held by two pieces of foam, which is quite cool. So we'll take them straight off, and then yeah, you're just left with this. It's very lightweight, very easy just to take around with you. You can see it has the USB port here, so this is where you plug it into your computer or your PlayStation or Xbox. So fairly simple. You've got the two fans on the back, you can see, and yeah, you can see it's got the logo just really big on the front. The two fans you can easily see them through the little metal mesh. It's also got a plastic back, so nothing too special in particular, but you know, it's cool. It also has two little stands, which is a cool little feature. We didn't need to include that, but it just helps it when you're on your computer. It just slants up a little bit, so you can just see it looks a bit nicer. So yeah, let's turn it straight on. Cool, so this is what it looks like on top of my computer. You can see that it's a bit too small for it. You can see my computer does go over it a little bit. It's just a standard 2019 MacBook. But you know, if we take the MacBook straight off, you can see underneath it, oh, it does have the LEDs. The LEDs aren't too bright, but you know, it just makes it look a little nicer when it's turned on. You know, it helps them spin around. But yeah, if they are a bit loud, I'm not surprised. It's cheap, but you know, it does the job well. I think maybe if you're making a video, it might get a bit awkward or a bit annoying, but you know, it's not a big deal. If you want to play some games and your computer's overheating, or if you want to put it on top of your Xbox or PlayStation, it does work exactly like how you want to. So guys, if you do want to purchase this item yourself or just check it out yourself, it will be in the description down below. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, give it a like, subscribe, and yeah, I've never done anything like this before. So guys, if you do want me to make more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Peace.